This tastes good. This tastes so good, y'all. Hell no. So just one day, I'm just getting in the kitchen, throw some random ass seasonings on the meat. Like, yeah, we gonna throw this, throw that, throw some random ass shit up there. And then after we throw that up there, I'm like, yeah, y'all, it tastes so good. And it's just simple ass shit. Like, these bitches cannot cook. I really, honestly, truly think they throw random ass seasonings on the protein, cook that shit. Mind you, with cooking, you just gotta make sure the shit done. Just make sure the shit not burnt. It's the sweet spot. I mean, there's a part where it's like, nah, that shit ain't done. But there's a part where it's like, it's done, and then you got a couple minutes until that shit, all right, that shit burnt, that shit crunchy. You gotta find, and it ain't that, it don't take too long. So put that shit in there, boom. Then your vegetables and shit, the same thing. Now, the only thing that's kind of like tricky is rice. Rice is actually kind of tricky. Rice is so fucking tricky. They made a rice cooker for bitches because rice is actually kind of like that shit will come out mushy or that shit will come out hard. Like you gotta time the shit out and you gotta put the right amount of water. Rice is a little bit tricky, bro. Rice is a little bit tricky. But for the most part, just warm them fucking vegetables up, bro. Like, damn. Just wait. The shit just gotta get heated. The shit is not hard. Yeah, y'all not gonna tell me cooking is fucking hard, bro. Y'all not gonna tell me cooking is fucking hard. Just wait till this fucking shit is heated. The vegetables, just wait. When they get warm, all right, you want it warm or hot? Just that's all you gotta wait for. Wait till the vegetables get warm and hot. And then eat it. That's it. Not gonna tell me cooking is hard. I'm not gonna believe it. I've been seeing too many bum ass bitches do it. I don't that shit. But the thing is, it's patience. It's not a lot of people is like, it's not, I don't, it's like they can't cook. It's like they don't feel like standing over a hot stove. They don't feel like standing around for the shit. It's patience. Cooking's not hard. It's just patience. I don't feel like doing this. I don't fight. If dudes could probably cook, but they be gonna play in the game, then they be like, all right, shit. I forgot. I was cooking something. hey, I promise you, it's a lot of men who have tried to at least cook once and said, yeah, I put this shit over here. I went to go play the game. I forgot I was cooking until I got hungry again. It be some shit like that. You just don't have the patience for it, like to monitor the food. That is why I encourage getting some chicken breasts. All you do is chop the shit up or get some shrimp. Shrimp cooks fast as hell. Hey, shrimp don't cook in 30 seconds, but it feel like it. Shrimp cook fast as hell. That shit turn different color, it's done. So with the shrimp, boom. Oh, you gotta put your little what's that? Put the little grease in there. Not the grease, but it ain't grease. Oil. Put the oil in there, whatever. You season your shrimp up. Might as well just get the one with the head chopped off and deveined already. Just do that. Just do it. Just get the easy part. Just do that. It costs $1 or $2 extra. Throw that shit in there. Throw that shit in the pan. And approximately 45 minutes to a second. Nah, it ain't 45 minutes. But nah, just shake the pan up a little bit. And then then just flip it over. And you're going to see like, okay, it browned up a bit. Once it browned up a bit, turn it over. Turn all the shrimp over one by one. Make sure each one. And then you do the same thing on the other side, but you don't need to cook the other side as long. You let that shit brown up a little bit. Turn it over. If you want to one more time, it's done. The shrimp is done. Shrimp is done in less than 7 minutes. And then get you a pre-made salad. The salads, you get the little salads already pre-made. Dump the salad, dump the shrimp in there. Done. Shrimp salad. Shit good. Protein and vegetables. Do the same thing with either chicken or steak. Chop that shit up. Make sure that shit cooked. It's done. Just don't burn it. You can look at the shit. Eyeball it. Throw that shit in the salad. It's done. Throw that shit in the salad. It's done. Now, all I want for Christmas is this fucking peach cobbler to light up. I be listening to these Christmas songs. I be like, yo, how the fuck